would also like to thank, please join us in giving these amazing people a run.
Extra turned into our ordinary.
Come and evolve in an ever-changing society. Extraordinary means to be good or have special qualities. I'm Natalie, along with other staff members, held our school together.
Everyday grind to school. I really appreciate it because he had the vision of what he wanted right off the bat. Teachers will say the best students are the ones that know. I was reminded that a little bit of silence can go along no matter what kind of training you've had. And I know that Sam was the one who took me up on this. And you can't teach that. Samuel Bagwell, everyone. Woo!
Can't get past me. And I'd like to thank Job. Woo!
So I found her to be remarkably motivated and honestly extremely compassionate. I right away found out that she'd finished an internship that was very professional with Siskiyou Works, developing curriculum for soil and urban agriculture. And she's also taken several classes at the College of the Siskiyous while keeping up with her work at our school. But it's not just the academics that make her motivated and special. So she is the young lady who lifts up our spirits at our school. She put together a school spirit week, and we were decked out like old men and old women. Western Day, come the holidays, she's trying to pick up the spirits again, and she's decorating the halls with like snowflakes and so forth. And single-handedly, even yesterday, she's having a special lunch in her honor and the other seniors, and here she is making flowers for the rest of us. So it's an amazing young lady, and we will miss her when she goes to Montana State University in Bozeman. Congratulations, Madison.
All right, I would like to say thank you to all my teachers and staff and all the friends that I had during high school. Thank you for tolerating all my craziness and my silliness, and also for my horrible artwork that I know you teachers had to somewhat understand. Thank you guys.